Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between comparative financial statement and common size financial statement. A comparative financial statement is used to compare financial data of two or more accounting periods, whereas a common size financial statement presents each financial item as a percentage of a base figure. Number 1. Comparative financial statement shows financial information of multiple periods side by side, whereas common size financial statement shows all items in percentage form of a common base. Number 2. Comparative financial statement is mainly used to analyze changes over time, whereas common size financial statement is used to analyze the relative importance of each item. Number 3. Comparative financial statement compares actual monetary figures, whereas common size financial statement compares percentages and proportions. Number 4. Comparative financial statement helps identify increases and decreases in amounts, whereas common size financial statement highlights the composition of financial statements. Number 5. Comparative financial statement focuses on trend analysis, whereas common size financial statement focuses on structural analysis. Number 6. Comparative financial statement uses figures from two or more accounting periods, whereas common size financial statement may use data from only one accounting period. Number 7. Comparative financial statement presents actual financial values, whereas common size financial statement converts values into percentages. Number 8. Comparative financial statement is useful for measuring company growth, whereas common size financial statement is useful for evaluating financial stability and structure. Number 9. Comparative financial statement is affected by company size, whereas common size financial statement removes the effect of company size for easier comparison. Number 10. Comparative financial statement is less suitable for inter-firm comparison, whereas common size financial statement is highly suitable for comparing different companies. Number 11. Comparative financial statement emphasizes the change in financial performance, whereas common size financial statement emphasizes the relationship between statement items. Number 12. Comparative financial statement helps management track yearly progress, whereas common size financial statement helps investors and analysts understand financial structure. Number 13. Comparative financial statement may show both amount and percentage change, whereas common size financial statement only shows percentages. Number 14. Comparative financial statement is ideal for internal performance evaluation, whereas common size financial statement is ideal for comparing companies in the same industry. Number 15. Comparative financial statement does not clearly show item proportion to total figures, whereas common size financial statement clearly shows the percentage share of each item in the total. In summary, comparative financial statements are best for understanding financial changes and trends over time, whereas common size financial statements are best for understanding financial composition and making comparisons between companies. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.